Most of you search for the best free credit card in Germany, and when you apply for it, you get rejected. This is the most common complaint about free credit cards I have gotten from you. That's why the best card might not be the right one for you, because every credit card provider has their own approval criteria. Some want customers with a high income, others want a great credit score, and that can be a problem for many experts, because most of you are not the perfect candidate for the credit card providers. That's why in this video, I'll share the best free credit cards in Germany. I'll share which one accept expats like you, and I'll compare their features as well. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Essen, and if you want just one option, then the TF Bank credit card is my recommendation for most of the people. It's not my number one anymore, as you will find out in the video, but you can get it using this QR code or the first link in the description. TF Bank credit card is a great option because of its features and high acceptance rate with expats. That's it. They don't just give one to anyone. That's why for most of you, the most important first step is to get your Schufa score, because this credit score is what the card providers usually check first. The problem is that if you have a weak Schufa and you apply for a card, you get rejected because of it. Such an entry may further reduce your score, creating a negative feedback. So let's talk about the free credit cards I have compared. Remember, I only looked at real credit cards that are completely free and have a high acceptance rate with expats based on your feedback. In total, I compared 5 free credit cards: Advanzia Gebührenfrei Mastercard Gold, TF Bank Mastercard Gold, Payback American Express Credit Card, Bank Norwegian Visa, and Extra Karte from Novum Bank. I have left out the Barclays credit card out of this list because based on your feedback, it had the highest rejection rate I have seen with any free credit card in Germany. They have recently rebranded to Easy Bank, so let's see how they handle the expat community in the future. Okay, each of these credit cards operates through established networks like Visa, Mastercard, or American Express, meaning when you use them abroad, you'll get the official exchange rate provided by the card network. These rates are generally much better than what you would get at a currency exchange or from a local ATM. Also keep in mind that some providers, especially TF Bank and Advanzia, are known to occasionally block transactions made from outside of Europe for security reasons. This can happen even within the EU. To avoid any issues while traveling, it's a good idea to contact your credit card provider in advance and let them know about your travel plans. Conditions for cash withdrawal. Cash withdrawal conditions vary quite a bit with these cards. The Payback American Express card has the least favorable terms. It charges 4% of the amount withdrawn, with a minimum fee of €5 per withdrawal. If you plan to use your card frequently for cash, this is probably not the best option. Extra Karte charges 3% of the withdrawal amount with a minimum of €3 per transaction. TF Bank and Advanzia offer cash withdrawal without a direct fee, but there's an important catch. Both start charging interest immediately from the first day you take out the cash. That means even if you pay the balance off at the end of the month, you'll still owe interest on the withdrawn amount from the first day. Bank Norwegian credit card offers free cash withdrawals worldwide, and at the time of making this video, they do not charge any interest similar to TF Bank or the Gebührenfrei credit cards. Now always remember that some ATM operators may still charge a fee independently of the card provider. These are more common at ATMs located at airport, train stations, or hospitals. So before completing a withdrawal, always look at the ATM screen for any displayed fee. If it shows any extra charge, cancel the transaction and look for another ATM machine. Foreign currency fees can significantly impact the cost of using your credit card, especially outside the Eurozone, but some of these cards make it easier. Bank Norwegian, TF Bank, and Advanzia Gebührenfrei offer zero foreign currency fees, whether you're paying in dollars, pounds, yen, or any other non-euro currency. You won't be charged an extra percentage on top of the transaction amount. In contrast, the Payback American Express is less favorable in this regard, with a 2% foreign currency transaction fee. With the extra card from Novum Bank, you pay a foreign currency fee of 2.99%. So even if your card has zero fee, currency conversion can still occur. The exchange rate is determined by your card provider, such as Mastercard, Visa, or Amex. Also, when making payments in a foreign country, it's typically better to pay pay in the local currency rather than euros. Doing so ensures that your card provider rather than the local bank or payment terminal handles the currency conversion, and you'll likely get a more favorable rate. Please hit the like button if you're getting value from this video and consider subscribing. A key feature to look for in a credit card is the ability to set up automatic repayment through direct debit. This ensures that your credit card balance is paid on time. This helps you avoid interest charges. Bank Norwegian and Payback American Express support direct debit. With Payback American Express, your monthly bill is automatically withdrawn from your bank account. And with the Bank Norwegian credit card, you can either automate full repayment or partial repayment. Extra card offers only the minimum payments automatically. TF Bank and Advansia Mastercard Gebührenfrei do not offer automatic repayments. You'll need to manually transfer money to your credit card account each month to avoid interest charges. If you forget or delay payments, you may be hit with a late fee and interest. Now, as a viewer of Ascent Finance, you know it's not a good idea to go into credit card debt. The main point of using these free credit cards in Germany is to build your credit score and use their special features. So my recommendation is to always pay the credit card invoice in full. Because if you decide to carry a balance using the partial payment feature, here's what the interest rate looks like for these cards. The TF Bank Mastercard has one of the highest interest rates at 24.79% per year. The Advansia Gebührenfrei is close behind at 24.69%, and the Extra Karte charges 24.6% annually. The Bank Norwegian offers a slightly lower rate of 24.4%. Payback American Express does not allow partial payments, so it doesn't charge interest as your balance is paid in full each month. Let's talk about the extra features. If you pay at least 50% of a trip with a credit card, the TF Bank, Advansia Mastercard, and the Bank Norwegian Visa offer free travel, trip cancellation, luggage, and baggage delay insurance. Additionally, TF Bank and Advansia Bank also offer foreign liability insurance and 5% cashback on travel bookings and rental cars. With the American Express credit card, you collect 1 payback point per 3 euros you spend, while the Extra Karte offers perks using the Extra Club. So what is the best free credit card in Germany in my opinion? Well, the TF Bank credit card is a strong all-rounder. Based on your feedback, it has one of the highest acceptance rate, and the included insurance packages are very generous. But I think the Bank Norwegian Visa is currently the best card overall, with a lower acceptance rate. So if your credit score is good enough, I would go for it. I have provided links to all of the credit cards in the video description, which you can use to sign up if you want to support this channel at no additional cost to you. As well, I have also linked a tool in the description below where you can compare all of these cards yourself. In this video, I share details on my favorite credit card. And if you're looking for a free bank account, then you should watch this video.